You ever notice something weird? Everyone wants to become a hacker, but nobody wants to read.
Read, nigga! Read!
They'll install Kali Linux in 10 minutes, watch 30 tutorials, run 50 tools. But the moment you say, read this book, they disappear. And that's exactly why most people stay stuck. Because here's the truth. The real hackers, the dangerous ones, they don't just run tools. They understand systems deeply. And most of that understanding didn't come from YouTube. It came from books nobody talks about. So in this video, I'm not giving you random recommendations. I'm giving you 8 books that actually build a hacker's brain. Not theory overload, just real knowledge that changes how you think. Let's start. First, Linux Basics for Hackers by OTW. This is where most people should have started, but didn't. This book teaches you how Linux actually works. File systems, permissions, processes, networking basics inside Linux, and here's why it matters. Because hacking without Linux is like trying to drive without knowing what a steering wheel does. This book makes Kali stop feeling like a hacker OS and start feeling like a tool you can control. Second, the web application. Hacker's Handbook. This book is heavy, no jokes. It breaks down how web apps actually fail. You'll learn SQL, XSS, CSRF, IDOR, directory traversal, authentication bypass, session hijacking, file inclusion, clickjacking, and many others. This is not run burp suite and click buttons. This is, why did this system break in the first place? Third, Hacking, the Art of Exploitation by John Erickson. This one separates beginners from real ones. You'll go deep into memory, stack, heap, buffer overflows, writing exploits. At first, it will destroy your brain, but once it clicks, you stop being tool dependent forever. Fourth, Black Hat Python. Now you stop using tools and start building them. This book teaches you how to write your own scanners, create backdoors, automate attacks, and the biggest lesson, if a tool doesn't exist, you can build it. Fifth, Penetration Testing, a hands-on. Introduction to Hacking by Georgia Weidman. This is your practical lab. You'll learn setting up a hacking environment, real attack workflows, enumeration to exploitation to post-exploitation. This book connects everything. It shows you how hacking actually flows in real scenarios. Sixth, Serious Cryptography by Jean-Philippe. Now we go deeper. This isn't about hacking systems. It's about understanding why systems are secure. You'll learn encryption basics, hashing, how cryptographic systems fail. And this changes your mindset completely because now you don't just break things. You understand how they were built to resist you. Seventh, Ghost in the Wires by Kevin Mitnick. This is not technical, but it might be the most important one because it teaches you something tools never will. Human psychology, how people get manipulated, how trust gets exploited, and how access isn't always technical. Because sometimes the easiest hack is a conversation. Finally, number 8, Getting Started Becoming a Master Hacker by OTW. This book is basically your true entry point into hacking. Not the fake mindset, but the real foundation that most beginners skip. This book walks you through what hacking actually is, the different types of hackers, and most importantly, the legal boundaries so you don't mess up early. It introduces core concepts like basic networking, Linux environments, and the overall hacking process. Reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, and maintaining access. So you start seeing hacking as a structured flow instead of random commands. It's not about advanced exploits, it's about direction. Perfect for beginners or anyone stuck in tutorial hell. Because once you understand this foundation, you stop pretending to hack and actually start thinking like one. And that's the list. But listen carefully. If you just collect these books, you'll stay exactly where you are right now. Pick one. Start slow, get confused, read again, test things, break things. Because hacking isn't about reading faster, it's about understanding deeper. And one day, when you open a tool, you won't feel lost anymore. You'll know exactly what it's doing, and that's when things get dangerous. If this hit, subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.